and step out in a day. Some of them they wear bad suit at night, bust up. Some of them a bust up the pan them.
No,
Bust up the
bossy,
between
come
the
out down the
leg
street now.
and pan top of them. So that's a problem.
10 points, I give a 10%. Help with business so we can buy better shoes. Him have investment in this one. Yeah. Since them say shoes and this and that.
Them has asked so much
Support
for
the business
cream.
so we can buy new shoes.
They say how much for cream and for ship to New York.
We also have spot correctors, so you don't have to use any harsh chemicals to get rid of your spot. You can use this on your face, between your thighs, on your elbows, and on your knuckles. You should come and order now. I thank you, bye.
Spot character guys, no patrol not supposed to be in on the face. Them are not come over here can use the filter cover. So no buy the spot character, because no face no jawbone them smooth and no little patrol not supposed to be in on the face.
Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If minute up on the beatings can see on the screen. Shauna Chen is not taking no more heat from Unforgettable K, and she's been calm, cool, I don't want to say deadly for a minute now. You see my answer, and you know K, crashed out yesterday, so Shauna is just letting it all go. I'm planning on filing a restraining order on her first and foremost, so she really can't call up her name, you see my answer. But if you can read between the lines, you don't know say Acacia talk about, especially when she last show the bleaching cream them, cause she says K, bust up and she have to forward pan apps with filter and all of these good stuff, and she's letting K know she can't bully her cause she's not leaving 10 point, and she is the prize. You see my answer, my people. One bagger and one, so let's hear what go on with this restraining order business, and we'll proceed with the next.
Good, clean, girl. Watch out, them I report my live, see do it. When no go and report, no go for go report this Sunina. Cause I go like no own the blood clot platform over here. No send no minions them for come report. I don't even, my peoples don't even watch y'all. Type F1 for my chat. On a comment. Me no business. The lady I tell lie for me. Me just can't bother. Me not depend it. Me can't bother. Me cannot bother. I cannot bother. I don't want to be on a page and I play with no game match with nobody, and them a try to tarnish my name and defame my name. I'm tired of, I just sit down on the app, and that's why I'm always right now, me I work too, things that me not work. Otherwise from TikTok I have other things I do. It's just I'm gonna disclose my business on here. Me I tell you no. Why when you think so no see me on your from what day, yeah? Me I protect me and my man peace, cause I don't want to come work up for me. If you no work for me, I send on the evil spirit through the phone for me if you make me and my man. No sitting there, we're alright, we're happy, we're okay. But we are public figures and we are artists. My man. And come now, time I say my man, people I'm upset. My man. Minds. Man. Hey! I know my man not give me no bundle. I know that for sure. Any girl will get a chance, I know about you now. My man not give me from my man at all. My man never give me bunny yet. My man never give me bunny yet. I'm not the lolo, I'm sure. Him reassure me. You know when you're in a relationship, it's good for reassure your partner. You have to assure your partners. You have to reassure your partners. For real. Poor thing me special. That hurt to the door. My man not give me bun. My man would never dare give me bun. Yo, hell no. My man would never dare give me bun. Me please my man, so my man not even give me bun. He's not going nowhere, baby love. But go back. One of the Lulu, so. Go where? He's not going nowhere. My man not going nowhere. Him not going nowhere. And the best reassurance this. My man. Like, look at me, give a fuck if man want give me bun. Eh? Do I look like I give a fuck? Man on my light and salvation. I God on my light and salvation. God is within me. Why them a add me? Me not come over there. The woman don't like me. I come not gonna time to tell you no. The woman what them a do? Human psychology. We know all of these things, my love. You can't play with somebody who read the 48 laws of power. Hear me, baby? I true me don't want to use my knowledge for people. Yeah. Try to provoke me so me can't allow the man alone. Me not leaving the man. Me not leaving the man. The man don't show me any bad vibes. The man treat me good. The man spoil me. When the man getting bookings, him give me money. When the Dutchess come in the company internet can show me business because I need validation from the blood clot internet. Feel accepted. I don't. I love myself and my man love me. When I'm sick, my man take care of me. Me not have no man who do them something for me. Eh? Oh, me not hear no good. Oh, me not hear no good. Who? What having a rightful mind? I go sit down in our situation. We're not good for them. Only a fucking idiot and an insecure and a somebody when not have no self-esteem. Low self-esteem blood clad team. Me not hear nothing good about the money. Hurt me. I say me it hurt me. I nah mean no Waterloo, baby love. Una go sing and wish bad for me and the man, it not gonna work. It not going to work. And you know what I must commend this man on for he's trying to not make the same mistakes he made. Anybody that see the everything will lay upon the table. Me lay things upon the table. Wanna stop report my live. Stop report my live. Me stop report my live. Stop send your minion them for report my live. Wanna war over internet wanna come see. You come a war over internet. I just the other day know about fame. You never famous, miss. Me famous for 10 years, decade. You just know about fame and you war over internet, miss. What you making people come and report my life for? Is it thinks a TikTok an idiot? TikTok is not stupid. We now war over gifts, sexual activities and services. Really? Really? We now war over gift. I want to sound now. I want the bomber ass clock this. So me not for company internet. Go suck your mother. Come talk about gully bop. Go suck your mama. Bomber ass clock. What the type of F1? Me not restart. Me not do that for be reported. The lady obsessed. The lady watch my profile hard. The woman I know some go Colombia what yeah. It's giving. I forgot to do a restraining order.
Now I'm gonna give you my honest opinion on things, cause you know I really don't follow up T-lister. So what I'm seeing from Unfettable K, she is not ready to divorce 10 points. You know what I mean? And she would take back 10 points if him come back to her. You see my people putting at the comment section if you agree with me, because if homegirl is done, you know, she wouldn't be entertaining them, and Shauna wouldn't come out and say the girl did a hype with the party and never want them for going to take with himself and go up on one big vacation. You know what I mean? But right now, Kay is hurt. She's a woman. So, you know, she should just vent. You know what I mean? Put in the comment section where you think about that. But she need to wrap this up soon, you know, because eventually people is just going to say, you're mad over the boy, you know. He's in my ass. Not sure if they have children together. If they do, let me know in the comment section. I will let you know further of what I'm thinking. And also the green card citizen, US citizenship thing too. You know what I mean? But we're not going to long out this no longer. You see me go up on my King, my Credible Boss channel to check out why Ivani I said about Shauna Chinka. You know, she get brought up in the mix, you know. You see my peeps. Bless.